She's an icon, she's a legend, and she is the moment. Now come on now.
So I'm sure. Stand in my head because I'm yours. I can't pretend, I can't ignore.
Okay. Hello, welcome to the A Woo gang. Welcome to In the Life of Aza. I am Aza. So in today's video, I will be doing a tutorial on how I got this hairstyle. So yes, it's very easy and it's under $10. So yes, so you need to do it, okay? So I just got the idea off YouTube and I was like, oh, I want something different. And so I was just searching and just, trying to see what can I do different to my hair. And so this came across, this picture, I'm gonna put it in. This came across when I was trying to look at ideas. So I was like, oh, this can look cute because it can look realistic. So as y'all know, I already did this ponytail before. I'm gonna insert a picture. I already did this ponytail before, but I wanted to do it again and show y'all. So yeah, but yeah, it looks so realistic, and I wanted my hair to be wavy because you know when your hair is curly, it's hard to lay it down at times. So I was like, okay, it can look realistic with this because you know it's just cute. It's cute, okay? The waves are giving. Okay, but yes, y'all, I'm not gonna do much talking through this video, so I hope you guys will learn how to do this hairstyle because it's super easy. Like I said, anybody can do it. But yeah, any questions or anything about how I did this, or just any questions at all about the hairstyle, comment down below. Okay, so yeah, let's go ahead and get into this video and I will talk to you guys at the end. Okay, first thing first I'm gonna do is blow dry out my hair. My hair is clean. I just define my curls, that's all. So that's what I'm gonna do first, is blow dry it out so I can stretch out my curls, and then you'll see the next step. So let's go ahead and get into this. Okay, it's still kind of smoky in here, but do y'all see this? All this shrinkage, like, oh, like wow. Like, I got a nice little bit of hair on my head. The shrinkage is a mess. Shrinkage is of the devil. But yeah, y'all, I'm gonna get ready to gel it down. I was thinking about using this, extreme gel, but I don't know, because I see it's starting to flake in my head, because I use this to define my curls and it's flaking. And I don't know if I want that. Should I just use the old regular gel? I think I might, because I may use it a little bit mixing in together, but we'll just see. Excuse me. This is the only part I dread of doing. Alright, let's go ahead and get into this.
down, baby. I took a half and she took the whole thing. Slow down, baby. You took a trip, now we on your block and it's like a ghost town, baby. Where did these niggas be at when they say they doing all this and all that? Tired of beefing you boss, you can't even pay me enough to react. You waking up in the crib, but sometimes I don't even know where I'm at. Please don't play that nigga songs in this party, I can't even listen to that. Anytime that I run into somebody, it must be a victory lap, hey. Shawty come sit on my lap, hey. They saying Drizzy to snap, this is between us.
She can make it right, yeah.
Like a store, this isn't a closable gap, hey. I see some niggas attack, and don't end up making it back. I know that they at the crib going crazy down bad. What they had didn't last, damn baby. Sometimes we laugh, sometimes we cry. But I guess you know now, baby. I took a half and she took the whole thing. Slow down, baby. We took a trip, now we on your block and it's like a ghost town, baby. Where did these niggas be at when they say they doing all this and all that? I'm in the trenches, relax. Can you not put that little boy in the club? Cause we do not listen to rap. We in Atlanta, I buy her wig. She telling me Tay is the best. Pointed the nigga who act like a killer, but you only one from the neck. I'm like the baby, I'm just a rapper.
Okay, so this is the hair I use. I use Freetress hair. Hopefully I'm saying it right. But this pack come with 3 bundles. So I use 1 bundle and 1 bundle and a half. And I also use some of my burgundy hair. And I also use the hair tie to lay it across and pull it right through, so I can use it on my little bitty ponytail so it can stay on. And I'm also using the same hair I used when I did this at first. So that's probably why this hair doesn't look as like fresh out of the bag. So, but y'all get the point. Okay, right here I'm just finna spray some oil sheen on the hair to freshen it up. I'm so happy I did it, y'all. It made the hair so much softer, just so much better. And right now I'm just tying it on my little bitty little ponytail. And when you make sure it's on your ponytail, make sure you pull a piece of the hair out and wrap it around, because you don't want a strong breeze coming to snatch your ponytail off, okay? So yeah, you just gotta make sure it's secure, because on your little bitty ponytail it can fly off. So just make sure you wrap it around and use plenty of hairpins, because no ma'am, we don't have time for a ponytail in the wind. No ma'am.
Still choose you. I don't wanna rush into it if it's too soon, but I know you need to get done, 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 done if you come on. Sorry if I'm way less friendly. I got niggas tryna end me off. Yeah. I spilled all my emotions tonight, I'm sorry. Rolling, 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 rolling. How many more shots until you're rolling? We just need a face to face. You could pick a time and a place. You will spend some.
Okay, y'all, so this is the final result. So it's just like when you do this hairstyle, you really just gotta play with it, and you know, it just go to however you want it. Because I know some of these hairs I'm gonna have to cut again, but I don't want to cut too much off, you know. But like this little part, I may have to cut that. So we are going to cut this right here. But yeah, like I was saying, you just really gotta just play with it. It's so cute. I like the burgundy in it, because the first time I did it, I didn't put any color in it, but I like this burgundy in it. It looks It looks good. But yeah, so this hairstyle ain't nothing but under, but like $10. $10 plus the, you know, the gel and stuff. So probably just $10 basically, because the hair is $8, but you know, if you add extra stuff. So this hairstyle is under $10, put it like that. But y'all, I really enjoyed doing this. I love my poofy fluffy puff ponytail. Yeah, it's given. So everybody need to do this because it's cute. I got the idea off YouTube. That's why I be telling everybody. Go on YouTube and you will find a cheap hairstyle, okay? Because I got tired of my little fro and I got tired of wearing braids all the time. So I just wanted to change it up and do a puff. So this is so cute on me. Y'all just wait till my hair actually grow out and get this big. I'm going to be so happy. It's all in just playing with it and cutting it. I'm just going to cut this. And don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Join the AWOO gang. I love you guys, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.
Thrill of it, always pushing up the hill, searching for the thrill of it.